here they're making hell of a mess. I realized I forgot to film. Everything is content. So, I was trying to rearrange these shelves because these bigger pots can only really reside on the top shelf because the plants kind of need all the room. Whereas these smaller pots can host themselves here on the middle and bottom shelves. So now I've got these big pots that I am going to pot up with this new lemon balm. It's so gorgeous. It's got a great bulb. It's intact. So I'm just gonna put this GFO or Savior. And then these two lemon balms are gonna go into those two. And this was a plant I just potted up. It was in some really hard clay soil that I think I just dug up year one from my property with like no amendments in it. And so it was really struggling. And then to get the clay out, I was really struggling because I let it get dry and hard and brittle. So it took some time, but I got it out. And I don't really know where I'm putting this plant. I'm probably gonna put it back in the house because it does prefer shade over sun. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, these soils are infested with fall armyworm. So I am definitely gonna be putting some of this into this watering jug. Just a little spoonful into the watering jug, fill it with water, and then I'm gonna go around and water all the plants. I'll probably do this for a week or so, and that should solve the problem. I better get some more tape for this before I lose it. But this is my workstation. This is the mess from the root bulb. Again, if you're planning ahead to do work like this, it's a good look to just put down a tarp or something. So that way you can just pick up any of the soil that falls and, you know, dump it back in the pot or whatever. Now I'm gonna have to sweep, which is just more work. So if I was on somebody else's property and I was doing like a landscape job, I would have definitely put the tarp down. But because I'm on my own property, I tend to get lazy and try to take shortcuts, which, as you can see, it doesn't always work out. Because now I'm doing more work to clean up. Okay, that's it. Watch me work. Okay, so we're back at propagation station. In transport, a lot of my lemon balm branches broke off, so I'm hoping to propagate a few more. From one plant, I shall have many. So I find when propagating that it's pretty good to use like the fresher stems. The fresher stems tend to be more willing to root, right? So that's what I'm gonna go for. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go fill them up with water. Here is my indoor plumbing. Turn it on. Not too shabby. And then these I will go outside and get some sun. I already have two. Some already drooping. It's alright. So we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you posted. Oh, I don't know if you're wondering, but in here, I was harvesting the mint and, just getting rid of the dead branches. But the bare branches smell really good, so I cut them in here. I figure I might do something with it. But even just touching it right now, you can smell the mint. Like it's just saturated, I guess, in the mint oil. So even though it's dead, it's still giving a great aroma. And I like the smell of mint, so I kept them. Alright. So I got this lemon balm potted. Yay. It used to be in buckets. Now it's in the pot. And I'm going to move it onto my patio. Yeah. This here is actually a medicinal plant that I got from a nursery, UCC nursery. She told me what it was called. I didn't write it down, so I'm definitely gonna have to go back to her and ask. again, but it was like a little stick when I first got it, and now it's like, oh my gosh, like 3-4 years later, and it's kind of grown into a nice little tree. So I'm gonna actually dump some more soil amendment in here, as you can see, struggling, but so far so good. All right.